Hi! In front of me is CROSSCALL Core M5, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by going into Play Store and installing your new default apps. As you can see, I already did that, so I can go into Devices settings right away. In them, tap on Apps section, scroll down, tap on Default Apps, and then tap on one of those options, in my case, Browser app. Now just click on your new downloaded one that you wish to apply. And when you are finished, go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!